Hello, my name is Kevin Gannuscio, and I'm a part of the Aerospace and Defense team here at DTS. Specifically for aerospace and defense testing, we really heard of three key challenges from our customers. The first challenge is that technology is evolving. These vehicles are getting smaller. We have UAVs, UASs, drones, and they really need a solution that is low size, low weight, and low power. The second key challenge is that these testing timelines are getting accelerated greatly with shorter development times for these products. So they need a supplier that can respond to these demanding timeframes. And the third challenge we hear from our customers is that sometimes their test plans change. They need to do reconfiguration or they need to troubleshoot different portions of their test plan. So they need a solution that's versatile, flexible, and allows them to respond rapidly to these changing test environments. So you're probably wondering, who is DTS and what does DTS do? We're a manufacturer of miniature and rugged data acquisition systems. We've been doing this for over 30 years and we're experts in this industry. Our data acquisition systems are typically used in crash testing, destructive testing, or any testing where there's harsh environments or there's size constraints. To respond to the challenges that we've heard from our aerospace and defense customers, DTS is really focused on three different differentiators for our data acquisitions lines. The first differentiator is what we like to call SWAP, which is size, weight, and power. As you can see, all our data acquisition systems are ultra miniature. As you can see here, this fits in the palm of my hand. And this can also be powered by a commercial off-the-shelf battery. The second key differentiator is that we consider all of our DAS to be COTS. So COTS means it's commercial off-the-shelf, which means it's readily available with very short lead times. Our typical lead time for one of our data acquisition systems is 4 to 6 weeks. And the third key differentiator is that all of these data acquisition systems are shock hardened and very rugged. And not only are they shock hardened and rugged, they're also standalone. They don't need to be tethered to a PC when you run your tests. DTS data acquisition systems are used to capture analog parameters such as temperature, pressure, acceleration, vibration, and many other analog parameters out there in the testing world. But we really differentiate our product line into two key categories: onboard recording to memory and real-time data streaming. So with onboard recording to memory, you'll configure your test system, install the test article, conduct the test, and download after the fact. For our real-time streaming solution, you configure your system, install it on the test article, and then during the test you can view the parameters in real time. For our onboard recording solutions, we have our Slice Nano, our Slice Micro, and our Slice IP68. Each of these systems is built with the same internal electronic architecture, but in different form factors depending on your application. Each of these systems is ultra miniature and built with a modular concept. So each system is built out in the same way. It starts out with the base, which has your microprocessor, internal memory, and it's pretty much the brains of your system. From there, you'll have your sensor input modules for external sensors. And each sensor input module is built out in 3-channel increments. And we have layers for bridge-based sensors or IEP or piezoelectric sensors. And we also have a layer with embedded sensors available with accelerometers or angular rate sensors. Each system supports up to 24 channels per stack. And if you have a higher channel count test configuration, these stacks can then be daisy-chained together for up to hundreds of channels. For harsher test environments, we have our Slice IP68 system. This system is built with special IP68 connectors that are both water and dust resistant. This has been used in applications such as rotor strain measurements in wet flight environments, and also parachute strain and acceleration measurements for water landings. For general testing applications or embedded sensor requirements, we have our Slice Micro system. Our Slice Micro system has embedded connectors and also has the option to have embedded sensor layers. These embedded sensor layers are available with triaxial accelerometers or triaxial angular rate sensors. And this has been used in applications such as a 6 degree of freedom measurement on UAV platforms or in stores compatibility testing. For embedded applications that require an ultra miniature DAS solution, we have our Slice Nano system. Our Slice Nano has our smallest footprint and has flying leads for easier cable management. And it is also available with 5000 G shock rating. This has been used in embedded missile applications to collect both vibration and acceleration measurements. It also has been used to collect strain measurements in parachute risers. Its ultra miniature size allows for higher channel counts that don't affect the test dynamics. Expanding on the current capability of our Slice product family, we have our Slice 6 Air. Our Slice 6 Air is Ethernet based and offers 6 channels of universal sensor support. It also could be chained together for higher channel count systems. maybe even using our DS4 rack here. The Sly6Air offers real-time synchronization through IEEE 1588 Precision Time Protocol, IRIG-B, or GPS, and also offers data streaming capability via Chapter 10 or TMNS. Application examples for the Sly6Air include hypersonic missile testing, airborne pod testing, rotorcraft testing, and many others. The ultra-small form factor and standalone operation allows for DAS installation closer to sensor locations, which eliminates complex cabling and makes setup time quick and easier. Thank you for watching. For more information about DTS data acquisition systems, or for any information about your specific application, please visit our website.